Have you ever wondered about the rules and regulations that govern the drilling industry? The complex world of drilling is not as wild and uncontrolled as it might seem. Instead, it's a meticulously regulated landscape, with each operation adhering to a set of stringent guidelines. Imagine the drilling industry as a colossal, well-oiled machine. To keep it running smoothly, we need a robust framework of regulations. These rules are not just about ensuring safety and minimizing environmental impact, but also about optimizing the performance and longevity of drilling operations. So let's dive into the world of drilling regulations, shall we? First, we have safety regulations. The health and safety of workers are paramount in any industry. In drilling operations, this aspect is governed by organizations like the Occupational Safety and Health Administration in the United States, or the Health and Safety Executive in the United Kingdom. These agencies set regulations that dictate everything from the use of personal protective equipment to the procedures for handling hazardous materials. Then, there are environmental regulations. The drilling industry has a significant impact on the environment, and these regulations aim to minimize the negative effects. They include rules on waste management, air and water pollution, land use, and protection of wildlife. The Environmental Protection Agency in the United States, for instance, enforces these regulations, ensuring that drilling operations do not harm the environment unnecessarily. There's also a set of technical regulations. These cover the design, construction, and operation of drilling equipment. They ensure that the machinery used is up to standard, and that the drilling operations are carried out efficiently and effectively. Standards organizations like the American Petroleum Institute and the International Association of Drilling Contractors play a crucial role in setting these standards. Lastly, we have regulations about reporting and transparency. Drilling companies are required to report their operations, including any accidents, to the regulatory authorities. This promotes transparency and accountability in the industry. So, how do drilling operations comply with these regulations? It's all about implementing a rigorous system of checks and balances. Companies conduct regular audits and inspections to ensure their operations meet the regulatory standards. They train their staff to follow safety procedures and to use equipment correctly. They also invest in technologies that reduce environmental impact, such as closed-loop drilling systems that minimize waste. To adhere to reporting regulations, companies maintain thorough records of their operations. They report any incidents promptly and accurately to the relevant authorities. In doing so, they demonstrate their commitment to transparency and accountability. In summary, the drilling industry is governed by a comprehensive set of regulations. These cover safety, environmental impact, technical standards, and reporting. To comply with these rules, drilling companies implement rigorous systems of checks and balances, invest in training and technology, and maintain thorough records of their operations. Regulations in the drilling industry are not just about ticking boxes. They are about creating a safer, more efficient, and more sustainable industry. They are the blueprint for conducting responsible drilling operations. So the next time you think about drilling, remember that it's not just about the machinery and the manpower. It's also about the regulations that keep the industry running smoothly.